Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add a virtual background in Google Meet to make your meetings more fun or professional. First of all, open the Google Meet. Join a Google Meet on your computer or phone. Before entering, you'll see a preview screen with your video. Access the background option. Before joining a meeting, you will see the preview screen with your video, then access the background option. Click or tap the three dot menu, then apply the visual effects on the desktop or effects on mobile. Here you will see the option to blur your background, replace with an image, choose a preset background, or you can also choose or upload background from your gallery. Click add to upload your own image and your chosen background will appear behind you instantly. Adjust during the meeting. You can also change your background during the meeting. Click the three dot, apply the visual effects anytime to switch or remove it, and that's it. Now you can easily add or change your background in Google Meet. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.